If you're looking for cheap gifts for any man who goes camping, look no further. I've got you covered. Welcome to Unboxing Unhinged. I'm Eric Blacka. On this channel, I review products and gear for anyone who loves the outdoors, cool EDC, or badass American-made stuff. Cheap means different things to different people. The items I cover range from $10 to $70, but every single gift idea in this video is something that every camping man will love and will absolutely, for 100% certainty, actually use. First up, carabiners. Not the kinds you would use for rock climbing or rappelling or rescue scenarios. These are just simple, miscellaneous use carabiners. No camping man on earth will ever have too many carabiners. We use carabiners all the time for a million different things. We use them, we abuse them, and sometimes we even lose them. The hell? You absolutely cannot go wrong gifting carabiners to any man who goes camping. This 4-pack I got off Amazon for 10 bucks. Most decent 4-pack miscellaneous use carabiners run between $10 and $15. Next gift idea, ferro rod. If you don't know what a ferro rod is, I'll show you real quick. You start fires with these. Most men use them because they're awesome and it makes us feel good when we start a fire without a lighter or a match. I'm pretty sure it's an ego thing. I'm just kidding, that's not really a thing. We do it for practice just in case we find ourselves needing a fire in a real life emergent scenario. Doesn't matter. Men plus fire equals fun. Anything that helps us light stuff on fire, we like it. All camping men love ferro rods. Again, we can never have too many. My personal favorite is this Texas Bushcraft ferro rod, 16 bucks on Amazon. But you can get cheaper ones down to about $7. By the way, this is absolutely perfect for kids. My daughters will sit outside just throwing sparks for like a half hour sometimes. Awesome gift for any of your little campers too. Next gift idea, paracord. Same thing, seriously. We can absolutely never have too much paracord. Let me just put it this way, and I speak on behalf of every man in the world who goes camping. We love paracord. We buy it all the time, whether we need it or not. It comes in a million different colors, spool sizes, strengths, etc. But don't worry about all that. Just find something that looks like rope and says paracord, and we'll love it. It's that simple. But if you want to buy the best paracord on the planet and score mega bonus points for whoever you're buying it for, you buy Survivor Cord. It has a fire starter strand, a wire strand, a monofilament fishing line strand, and your normal nylon strands as well. This 103-foot section of Survivor Cord is 30 bucks on Amazon. Regular quality paracord runs about half that. You can find it for pretty cheap if you look around. Next up, and I freaking love this thing, the Freestyle Rocker Camp Chair. This chair is comfortable, foldable, it has a beer holder, or White Claw, whatever. And it's a rocking chair too. The way it's designed, it has a much larger footprint, which means it works a lot better on soft ground like sand. I go to the beach a lot. The beach eventually destroys everything, but these hold up really well. I'm super happy with them and I am not easy on my gear. The manufacturer says they're good for 250 pounds, but it's probably a little bit more than that, because we all know how engineers are always lowballing us on weight limits. Men who camp hate these cheap $10 piece of junk folding chairs you can buy at Walmart. Don't go that route. We want quality, foldable camp chairs, but unless you feel like spending $300 on a Yeti camp chair, you absolutely cannot go wrong with giving the Freestyle Rocker to any man who goes camping. Last but not least, the Cold Steel SRK knife. SRK stands for Survival Rescue Knife. The SRK is modeled after the knife that Navy SEALs use. The Cold Steel version comes with a plastic sheath that holds the blade very securely and has these really useful lanyard holes. It can go on any belt. The handle is grippy and it has a lanyard hole. For some paracord perhaps? The blade is powder coated to resist corrosion. The Scandi grind on this blade will keep an edge fairly well. Again, no man who goes camping can ever have too many good knives. Never too many. We all have our go-to knives for any given situation. This makes a great gift because you can use it for bushcraft, hunting, survival, general use, and you can kill zombies with it too. This is especially a great knife to buy for a kid because of the price and quality. This isn't going to be anybody's go-to camping knife. but it would make a great spare, general use, or option for when somebody is going into a highly corrosive environment like around salt water, where we'd rather not bring our $300 custom Puco. It's not the best steel, it is made in Taiwan, but for 70 bucks, it's a great buy. Real quick, a mega cool bonus gift idea for any man who goes camping. I made a video on a portable campfire in a can that would also make a great gift. It's freaking awesome. A link to that video will pop up on your screen right there. Hit the thumbs up button if this video helped you out. For Unboxing Unhinged, I'm Eric Blacka, encouraging you to turn off YouTube, go out into the world, and find the adventure that fills you with wonder. And remember, it's not always bad to be a little unhinged. Hey, how's my hair? Is it good? Does my makeup look okay? Okay, thanks.